This is the server I'm using for today's demo. It's an M4 Pro Mac Mini, 48 gig of RAM, 2 terabytes of storage, 10 gigabit Ethernet, CPU with 8 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, 16 GPU cores, and 16 neural engine cores. This is perfectly fine for a system of whatever depth you need. It'll handle terabytes with no problem. You need more powerful computer if you have more users. So handling 20 users, this Mac Mini would be perfect. Handling 200, you'd probably need a bigger, more powerful server. So the power of the server is not based upon how many clips, nor is it based upon how much storage in terms of terabytes, but the number of users. What is Axle.AI? It is a multi-user media database designed for workgroups. All media is stored locally and accessed via a browser connecting to a server which is either on a local network or on the web. No cloud or special app is needed. Axle makes a variety of related software, which I'm not demoing today. There's Connector, which is a workflow engine to automate media handling processes. If you have a lot of media that you're uploading or transferring from an old MAM to a new MAM, Connector can automate that whole process and do a lot of automated metadata processing. Dashboard provides web-based graphical view of your system status. It's customized to your particular needs. Catapult offers low-cost file delivery for file transfers. And AI Cloud is a cloud-based, simple, AI-based video management system. And there are also extensions for Adobe applications. I'll be showing the extension for Premiere Pro today. So what are the advantages of Axle.AI? Remember, it builds on top of all of the features that are already in existence in your NLE. First, it is inherently multi-user, a minimum of 2 users, a maximum of however many you want. It supports Mac, Windows, and Linux. It's accessed via a web browser, supports millions of assets. I plead guilty to this. Back years and years ago, when Axle was relatively new, I was just in the process of beginning my image library, which now has about 100,000 assets in it. But I screwed up, and I imported the same assets over and over and over again as I was learning the software. And I suddenly had over 1 million assets stored inside Axle and brought it to its knees. Since then, just because me causing trouble, it now supports millions of assets with no problem. It supports most media types, including most video files, audio files, and stills, including PDFs. It's multi-level user security, not only on the user level, but on the file level, I should say folder and volume level, in terms of what users can do and what they can access and all the controls that you'd want, regardless of whether you have 2 users or 200. And it has custom metadata fields. Now, we can enter custom data in an existing field in all of the NLEs, but we can't create our own fields. With Axle, we can create our own custom metadata fields to do whatever we need it to do. It has powerful search capabilities, supports all leading NLEs, and it can export or share clips or subclips, meaning a portion of a clip using XML. It can quickly round-trip files with clients, including adding comments and markers. Supports local or remote servers, and a cloud option is available. Finally, you can control precisely what media it tracks. It doesn't just simply share the whole hard disk, it shares whatever you need to be shared. This was an excerpt of a recent Power Up webinar taking a look at media asset management and Axle.AI. For the complete version of this online training, please visit our store at larryjordan.com/store and look for Webinar 379. By the way, when you need to stretch your training dollars, membership in our video training library saves you money and time. You can access all our videos for a low monthly price of only $19.99. That's almost 2,000 movies, hundreds of hours on a wide variety of subjects. Plus, premium members can download practice media and projects. Our training covers a variety of software, and we update it multiple times each month. For more information, visit larryjordan.com/membership. And thanks.